Welcome to the Story of Beauty, a 21-day beauty transmission honoring the 21 ingredients in the Pashmina Skin Cream from Immortal Skin. Join us in taking this incredible journey to your absolute most beautiful expression of yourself. This is a journey to beauty through radical self-love. The 21-day transmission of the 21 active ingredients in the Pashmina Skincare ritual is a teaching. It will reframe what beauty means and is, uncovering, recovering, repairing, and enhancing your relationship to your physical body and your sense of self. For so long, so many of us have felt inadequate or lacking. We have disowned certain parts of our bodies, ones we judged or disapproved of. After 21 days of repatterning outdated and destructive ideas, you will feel incredibly relaxed, incredibly gorgeous, and have a strong sense of who you are and a feeling of belonging. You will no longer match yourself against any standard. You will embody and love and appreciate yourself in the most delicious way without judgment. Each day on this journey is an opportunity to connect with a flower or plant teacher, an ingredient from the Pashmina Skincare ritual specifically chosen to transmit the powerful message of self-love. As women, we have alchemy, foraging and healing in our DNA. By connecting into the botanicals and nature offerings, we activate their healing powers more intensely. We feel a sense of connection and remembering from ancient times when we collected wildflowers and herbs. When we put creams on our faces without knowing what is in them or acknowledging the plants, we lose out on the reciprocal relationship the natural world is waiting to share with us. Here is an opportunity to learn about the healing powers and gifts from nature, and to know that every time you put Pashmina on your face, you are receiving these 21 gifts through the powerful ingredients used. Each day has a meditation statement and a powerful practice. Keep the meditation statement close by and use it throughout the day. The physical practice can be done at any hour you choose. Be present to the transmission daily, and after 21 days, you will have the complete transmission. Enjoy your journey. Feel free to set up your own group of women and venture through this together in the age-old tradition of passing on wisdom and secrets. If you have any queries or questions, email us at hello@immortalskin.co.za. That is hello@immortalskin.co.za. Just to confirm, all ingredients are sustainably harvested without harm to creatures or humans. The healing qualities celebrate the amazing gift of swapping treasures with the animals, the trees, herbs, and plants. Pashmina Skincare is safe, earth-friendly, handmade, natural, free from harmful chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and parabens. The honey, beeswax, and propolis are all 100% organic from non-commercially pollinated bees.